Uh, Hi viewers, today we discuss data structures and its types descriptions. What are data structure? Data structure is a storage that used to store and organize data. It is a way of arranging data on a computer so that it can be accessed and updated efficiently. Depending on your requirement and project, it is important to choose the right data structure for your project. For example, if you want to store data sequentially in the memory, then you can go for the array data structure. Note, data structure and data types are slightly different. Data structure is the collection of data types arranged in a specific order. Types of data structure. Basically, data structure are divided into two categories: linear data structure, non-linear data structure. Let's learn about each type in details. Linear data structure. In linear data structure, the elements are arranged in sequence, one after the other. Since elements are arranged in particular order, they are easy to implement. However, when the complexity of the program increases, the linear data structure might not the best choice because of operational complexities. Popular linear data structure are array data structure. In an array, elements in memory are arranged in continuous memory. All the elements of array are of the same type, and the type of elements that can be stored in the form of arrays is determined by the programming language. Stack data structure. In stack data structure, the elements are stored in the LIFO principle. That is, the last element stored in a stack will be removed first. It works just like a pile of plates, where the last plate kept on the pile will be removed first. To learn more, visit our channel. Queue data structure. Unlike stack, the queue data structure works in FIFO principle, where the first element stored in the queue will be removed first. It works just like a queue of people in the ticket counter, where first person on the queue will get the ticket first. To learn more, visit linked list data structure. In linked list data structure, the data elements are connected through a series of nodes, and each node contains the data items and address to the next node. Non-linear data structure. Unlike linear data structure, elements in non-linear data structures are not in any sequence. Instead, they are arranged in a hierarchical manner, where one element will be connected to one or more elements. Non-linear data structures are further divided into graph and tree-based data structure. Number 1. Graph data structure. In graph data structure, each node is called a vertex, and each vertex is connected to other vertex through edge. Number 2. Trees data structure. Similar to graph, a tree is also a collection of vertices and edges. However, in tree data structure, there can only one edge between two vertices. Linear versus non-linear data structure. Now that we know about linear and non-linear data structures, let's see the major differences between them. The data items are arranged in sequential order, one after the other, in linear data structure. Whereas in non-linear data structure, the data items are arranged in non-sequential order. All the items are present on the single layer. The data items are present as a different layers. On the other hand, it can be traversed on a single run. That is, if we start from the first element, it requires multiple runs. That is, if we have the element, it might not be possible to traverse all the elements in single phase. The memory utilization is not efficient, whereas in other different structures utilize memory in different efficient ways depending on the need. The time complexity increase with the data size. The time complexity remains the same. Array example is array, stack, query. Example is trees, graph, maps. What are data structure? Thank you viewers. Keep our channel going.